YouTube, what's going on? Right now we're in the car about to drop off some packages to the post office for eBay. But then after that, we're gonna go head to the storage center and see if we can get ourselves a storage unit for my book business.
2 hours later.
So I was looking to get a 5 by 10 feet unit and then also maybe a 5 by 15, one of those two. But I figured out that those ones didn't have the roll-up door, so I wouldn't be able to fit a pallet jack in them. The smallest one that I'd be able to fit a pallet jack in is a 10 by 10, and that costed more than the 5 by 10 and the 5 by 15. The 10 by 10 cost $229 a month, but they said they would match the lowest price that I find, so I'm going to go ahead and call around some other storage centers and see if I can find a lower price to match. But also the first month of this place that I was looking at, it's only $30 for the first month, and so yeah. But I told them that, you know, I get Gaylords of books, they're gonna be like 1,000 pounds, and I need to bring them in through a pallet jack. The place isn't open 24/7, it's open 7 to 7 every day. That shouldn't be a problem though, but I need to call around and see if I can find a cheaper unit so I can get that price point match, just because this place is like really close to my house. Alright, so we're checking the internet right now, and there is a storage center like 6 miles away, and their 10 by 10 unit, which has a roll-up door as well, so I can fit the pallets in. It's $152 a month. So we're gonna go ahead and call the storage center that we were just at and see if we can get our rates down to $152 a month. Would those be able to like fit in the whatever area it is to make it into the unit?
Oh, a 10 by 10 is like 100 square feet, sir. It's like, it looks like one small bedroom.
Yeah, I was wondering, because I know that some of the other storage facilities, like they had hallways you have to go through to get into the storage unit. Was there hallways I had to go through?
How soon do you need to get this 10 by 10?
Like a week or two.
Okay. Alright, so I'll be pulling up my inventory here for you and make sure that they have what you're looking for, which is 10 by 10, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And if we do, I can like set it aside for you for free, okay?
Okay.
If not, my company Spiritfood works with several places nearby, so we can search the...
Shit, so I totally forgot to record that after I got off a hold. But pretty much, that's looking like a good storage center. $161 a month, $1 for the first month, $25 fee. The hours are a lot better than the one next to my house. It's 9:30 a.m. to, or no, I believe it was like 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. was like the accessible hours. So that's actually a lot better than the one I'm at right now, or the one that I was thinking of. But with all this information, we're gonna go ahead and call the one that I was just at, which is next to my house. Sorry, there's a lot of storage centers I'm talking about, or only two, but fuck, you get the point. We're gonna call the one that I was just at basically like an hour or two ago, and then we're gonna tell them all this information and see if we can get the price down to $161 a month. Am I speaking to the same lady?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you said that there was the price matching, right? Yeah, so I found a 10 by 10 in, and it was pretty much like the same thing, the roll up, and kind of the same logistics, and it was at $161 per month. I was wondering if you guys could match that.
Yeah, definitely. Did you know what facility that was?
Yes. Alright, so for 6 months of storage at $161 a month, that's going to be pretty good. So what I need to do now is talk to my dad about it, because I haven't said a single thing about it to him. See if he'll go through with it. Some things we need to get in place first. So I have transportation. I have a lift gate on that transportation to get the Gaylords into there. I have a Gaylord supplier. I might need to double check with them real quick. Just make sure everything's still in place with them. So I have a supplier. Probably gonna pick up like 3 to 4 Gaylords. Three, probably. And then pallet jack. I think that's the last thing I need is a pallet jack. Alright, so I'm gonna break it down into a monthly price right now, being generous. 4 Gaylords, $280. For transporting those Gaylords, we'll say $80. Because I have arrangements set with someone. For storage, it's a $161. We're gonna be generous, say $180, just in case there's any fees that I plan. For Scoutly, I'm paying $31 a month with that because I have the 6-month plan. Amazon, $40 a month. Shipping, we're gonna be generous, say $60 a month. and then we're just gonna add $20 for cost of business, and that'll leave us with $691 we will be spending on this whole Amazon business in 1 month. I don't think I'm missing anything. Might be more. Hopefully, it's more than the actual total, and not less. 4 Gaylords should be enough for me to go through in a month, just especially since I'm a beginner. So, all that's left to do is get. Oh, pallet jack! I forgot that. So we'll just raise the cost of business to $40 a month, and then have the total be like $720. So we'll be paying like $720 a month total, just because we're not gonna include that pallet jack in the monthly payments, because obviously we're only gonna be buying it once. So we'll just disperse it over a few months and have the extra cost of business just be there, so we have money in case something goes wrong or in case we need to buy some new equipment. In repricing service, that'll also fall into the cost of business per month. So yeah. So with just a month of being in this Amazon FBA flipping game, we've had a payout of $196 in those 30 days that I've had my Amazon account. And also that's not including the 13 open orders I have. So that should be another coin. I don't know how much, but some more. And that's also just from cherry picking. Like, I haven't been going too hard. I've only been going like 3 times a week to thrift stores. And I'm not even getting that many books out of them. I'm getting like on a good day, I get like 4 books out of them. Like, it's rare that I get 10 or more. So the supply has been pretty slow. That's why I want to get into this bulk buying. But yeah, I'll record this whole process for you guys, so just stick around. Hopefully you enjoy this type of content. If you do, please go ahead and subscribe right down here to the left of me. I got some of my older videos. Please go ahead and check them out. My name is Austyn. Hope you guys have an amazing day, but I'm out later.